China is struggling with a rapid rise in new coronavirus infections.
The spike comes just weeks after the country loosened restrictions of its long-standing zero COVID policy. Many of the country's 1.4 billion residents remain vulnerable to the virus. I want to bring in Thomas Bolky. He's the director of the Global Health Program at the Council on Foreign Relations. Thomas, thanks for joining us. Now, you can expect, of course, that when there is an opening, that infections might increase. But was this policy, lifting the zero COVID policies, the right thing for China to do? Could things have been handled differently at this point?
It could have been done more slowly. What we know is even prior to China lifting its zero COVID restrictions around testing, quarantine when there were potential infections, isolation of the sick, they started lifting those policies at a point where cases were already spiking. They had already hit a point where you were seeing 40,000 cases a week. And it may be that the government determined that this wave was coming anyways. What didn't have to happen is that they would take their foot off the brake so rapidly. And because they have done so, we are seeing a spread of cases in China right now that is unprecedented in this pandemic. It is spreading faster there than it has spread anywhere else so far.
And Thomas, hearing this, I'm thinking back to 2020, where industries across the globe were impacted by COVID. What does this spike in cases and COVID-related deaths in China mean for the global economy?
Well, here's what we're expecting. The deputy for China's CDC has said as much as 60% of China's population may get infected in the next 90 days. Wow. To do a little bit of math for you, that's 800 million people, 1/10 of humanity getting infected in just 3 months. What that may do is shut down the economy in ways that we saw early in the pandemic. That, of course, could also lead to a significant loss of life, which would be tragic, but will have spillover effects. The U.S.'s fortunes, both in this pandemic and more broadly, are linked to China. So if China's economy shuts down, that means less medicines coming to U.S. Ports, less antibiotics at a point where we have our own respiratory challenges. The economy has already slowed. China's economy has already slowed to an expected growth rate of 3% this year. And they just reported that business confidence is now at the lowest level it has been in a decade. So it's a real cause of concern for the global economy and for Chinese.
And I mean, those impacts have continued to be felt. I mean, throughout, since the pandemic started, we have been feeling it from shipping and other aspects too. I'm just curious too. I mean, China has kept the virus in check. If China once again hits the brakes, not out of, as a prevention, but out of necessity, what could be the impact of that?
What China can do is possibly slow down the spread of the virus. Going back to the point where it was before in terms of really stopping the spread of virus is probably out of its reach. What it can do is impose stay-at-home orders. The population is already a mask wearing or has a mask wearing culture, so that'll stop the spread. But right now, the projections are pretty dire. So the low end projection is by April, we may see 500,000 deaths in China, or 300,000 rather. 500,000 is the low end for the year. It could reach 1.6 million by the end of the year. So they can slow that, but not entirely stop it.
Those are remarkable numbers. Thomas Bolky, thank you.
My pleasure.